How to recover deleted YouTube videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can recover the deleted YouTube videos. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to recover the deleted YouTube videos, first of all, you just need to launch your YouTube application on the device, and you just need to head over to profile. After heading over to profile, just go to your settings and scroll down a bit until you're able to see help. Just tap on help, or you may just go to send feedback as well. I'm just gonna go to help. I'm just gonna go here at help, and you need to type in recover deleted YouTube videos. Just type in recover deleted YouTube videos. After that, search, hit that search, and you may just click on one of the solutions they are providing, or you may just go to the post to the help community, and you may just go to send feedback to YouTube. And here you are gonna describe your issue, like how you want to recover your YouTube videos, how you accidentally deleted them or something like that, and try convincing YouTube to help you recover your YouTube videos that you may have deleted permanently. And just go on with the process of typing your issue, or you may just post a picture as well and giving the details about each and everything, and tap and send. After that, YouTube community will try helping you recover your deleted YouTube videos on your channel. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to recover your deleted YouTube videos. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.